Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Clear the browser cache and cookies for the last 24 hours to remove corrupt thumbnails. Next, disable all extensions, sometimes one blocks images, then re-enable them one by one to find the offender. Make sure Chrome's image settings are enabled and any data saver or light mode is turned off, because those can replace full images with placeholders. Once done, reload the page with Ctrl+R and check whether images reappear. If not, proceed to deeper checks. Once basic steps fail, open DevTools and watch the Network tab while reloading. Look for 404, 403, or blocked by client errors on image requests to understand why they fail. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't intercepting images and try changing DNS to 8. 8, 8, 8 or 1. 1, 1. 1 to bypass DNS-based blocking. Then test in incognito mode and create a fresh Chrome profile to see if your account sync or profile corruption caused the problem. This isolates browser-level versus system-level causes. Finish by reinstalling Chrome cleanly. Export bookmarks, uninstall Chrome, remove the user data folder, then install the latest build. This eliminates corrupted app files. Update your GPU drivers and try toggling hardware acceleration off, because rendering bugs can hide images. If images remain missing, open the same sites in another browser to confirm whether the issue is site-side or machine-side. One key troubleshooting tip: take a screenshot of DevTools errors and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.